Good morning, everybody. Today is a training ride, so sometimes I will ride the XC for training the stamina. Today the trail located at Kota Kemuning. So from the Kesas Highway, come in here, only 2 minutes. So from Subang to here, I think it's only 10 minutes. So from Puchong is around 60 minutes, quite near. Last time they have a jamboree here. The name is Kota Raja Jamboree. For newbie, I don't think they know this trail. A lot older rider, maybe they will know if they joined the jamboree before. This trail is a bit estate and have two small hill. The trail type is XC, zigzag like that. If you are a beginner, you just start ride mountain bike, you can try this trail. Not so tough, but you can speed also. Some climb they have a bit technical, but you can learn your skill here. For the not beginners, you also can ride here with the speed. You can push yourself and train your stamina. Let's go. Start from the Kota Kemuning to Petronas here.
This trail, basic to medium, right? So not so technical, just do a fun ride. So the first part will be a bit of high intensity. There's uphill, downhill, up and down. After this part, we will cover around 10 kilometers, mainly 100% off-road. Then we will continue to the next plantation. Next plantation more on recovery. The other part we can cover around 16 kilometers. So total ride today about 20 plus.
Okay. Very long time never go plantation ride. Today is no drop day. Dropper post, no drop. The XC rider using the hardtail, they don't have the dropper post. If we go down fast at XC trail lah, we no drop the dropper post. Actually can train your balls also. If you always sikit-sikit pun pakai dropper, no good lah. All the way is a small uphill. Follow the
trail.
The main road. Most of the corner they have an arrow to show you left or right. Okay.
Pointer.
Riding an XC downhill, try don't brake lah. Not technical lah. So if you're downhill, no brake, then you have the speed and momentum to go uphill. Have an arrow here, turn right. Small uphill again. So nice. You can burn your leg. I wear the watch today. If you want to come over, you can check my Strava. Then you will get the GPS file for navigate you to ride this trail. Or you feel so mafan, so troublesome, you can call my friend. He ride here every week. Oh, masuk longkang. 你一講 left turn downhill 我就愛 drop 我 dropper post 咗都係唔啱。睇遠啲 ，look further 。This one good, this one a bit steep. Good for killing beginner. Beginner will feel pain. Have to feel pain. No pain, no gain. Why? This one nice. Change gear, change gear.
Like gear.
Still climbing, still climbing. Still climbing.
Right.
Oh.
Downhill.
Here again. If a long time never ride XC and so lazy, start to ride the enduro. We'll climb very soon. Haha.
Then we come down, got some technical downhill. Then we ride up again. The ride up is very steep. It depends whether you want to
Try or
you
not.
want to try or not. But it's rideable.
So everybody using the hardtail here. So sometimes the beginner will ask me, actually buy a full size or the hardtail. Hardtail is the bike without the suspension at the body. Full size they have a suspension lah. I will do a video to explain. For the beginner, actually you should buy a hardtail or the full size bike. If you're riding a full size, now will be more happy, enjoy and comfortable and fast. Full size boleh, full size. Wow, a downhill track. 180 my heart rate. 186 179. Steep uphill. Long and steep. Fun. My maximum heart rate is 185. Oh my. Hey. Come on. 係啦，睇遠啲，睇遠啲。
Tai lama dekat sini.
Trail Builder sini. Kota Raja Cycling Club. Tak ada ini club, tak ada ini trail. Betul tak? If you want to refill water at the gate here, opposite the road, they have a kedai runcit there. Pedal terus. Don't waste the momentum.
Go.
29er, if you have a momentum, it helps you to uphill easily. Uphill again. Really good for beginner here. It's safe. Not much technical. Sorry, it's no technical. Sometimes got a steep uphill. Let them to try. And very flow. Can just ride only. Joyce very steady.
Yeah, come on, Joyce.
After warm up, now can climb everything.
Nice.
We have a few beginner here. Is Joyce, William Wu,
Where's he?
Wazi is ride only 2 weeks.
1 month.
1 month, 1 month. You have second time riding off road.
Off-road first time.
First time off road.
Yeah.
Joyce is first time off road also. This bike only used 2 times. Last week at Siskiu. This week, okay. But she can climb. At the beginning, just now when we start, a bit worried about her but now she's warm up already. So can do anything. Your heart rate.
183.
183, okay. The name called Bukit Bendera is because they have a Malaysia flag at the top there. But now removed already, but we still call it Bukit Bendera. Okay, same. We're back to here. If you ride with speed, so like now is downhill, you ride with speed, then you try to don't brake much. Then the small uphill you can climb easily. Now it's a bit downhill. I still can pedal because I riding a full suspension bike. If hardtail, I don't think can pedal. Cannot sit down also, need to stand up. Pointer, turn right. Small uphill again. Oh! 100
180
184
184
攞命，
呢個上山 push 下咯，都差唔多有完啦。
攞命。
Okay, now we are going to climb the last hill they call Bukit Commando. So after climb this, it's finished already. It is around 2 km. Yeah, boy. Oh. Oi. 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 Better, 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 better. Don't waste your momentum. You have a momentum. Just pedal only. Final uphill. Final uphill, Daniel. You can do it. Apa Bukit Commando? Steady, William.
Go straight. Boleh keluar.
Keluar mana?
Keluar balik lah. Cukup Malaysia.
Malaysia sangat cukup.
Sangat cukup.
Sangat cukup.
Sangat cukup. Mau additional 2 km.
You orang suka. I ikut.
Oh yeah, good. Okay, Daniel also a beginner. He just brought his bike 3 days.
4 days ago.
After he bought, he ride Taman.
Taman ride only. This one first ride.
Taman ride 1 or 2 times. After that, he come in here. It's a good experience. Just now cramp, a bit cramp.
Yeah, very good.
Very
2
good.
more km, 2 more km.
Okay, let's go. Last 2 km, don't give up. Okay. Let's go follow the team.
Last 2 km are quite tough.
Ah?
Another 3 uphill.
Reconsider.
Then we do reconsider. Yeah, follow the team.
Okay.
Let's do it.
It's a downhill. Full sus. That's it. Okay, we finished the ride. 28.15 km. Riding time is 3 hours. Quite nice. Today have 4 beginners join us to ride this trail. The 4 beginners also can manage to finish. So I think you managed to finish also. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like, share my video, and don't forget to click the bell. See you next ride.